Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to check Android version on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me tell you that all the latest Chromebook nowadays support Android application. So you can install Android application from Google Play Store. Now if you're wondering which version of Android you are using on your Chromebook, then you can simply follow these steps. For that, simply click on App Launcher icon. Open Settings application, scroll down and click on Apps option. Here you will find the option Manage Google Preference. Click on it. Click on Android Settings. It will open Android settings of your device. Scroll down, click on System. Then select About Device. And here you will find your Android version. As you can see on my device, I am using Android version 9. So depending upon your device, you will get different Android version. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.